Struggling to launch your first product on Warrior Plus because setting up funnels and writing copy is just too hard and expensive? What if an AI could build your entire product launch from the sales page to the graphics in under an hour? Welcome to App Verdict. Today, we are looking at LaunchMate AI. Here is my honest take. If you are tired of paying freelancers thousands of dollars for sales copy or spending months trying to connect funnel pages, LaunchMate AI is a massive shortcut. It is an all-in-one dashboard that uses AI to literally map out and build your Warrior Plus launch. You do need your own AI API key to use it, like an OpenAI or Gemini key. If you're okay with that, this software is a game changer. Stick around because I have put together a massive bonus package that solves the one thing this software does not do, which is getting traffic. So what exactly is LaunchMate AI? Created by Depop, a top vendor with over $1.5 million in sales, it is a cloud-based assistant made specifically for Warrior Plus vendors. It's for anyone who wants to sell digital products, video training, or software, but gets stuck on the technical stuff. It completely eliminates blank screen syndrome. It writes your sales pages, builds your upsell funnels, generates professional 3D box covers, and even gives you the email swipes for your affiliates. The best part is that it's a one-time payment of $97 right now with no monthly fees. Let's look inside the dashboard. Editor note, show screen recording here. It is ridiculously simple. First, you answered a few questions about your niche. The AI then maps out the exact product idea. Next, you hit the visual funnel builder. It automatically suggests upsells and downsells to make you the most money possible from every buyer. Then you just click a button and the AI generates all your pages. This includes the sales page, the thank you page, and the joint venture page. You can even generate your product graphics right inside the studio. Finally, you can export the whole funnel and connect it straight to Warrior Plus using their step-by-step integration guide. It takes all the heavy lifting out of the process. Now, the front-end offer gives you everything you need for $97. There are a few optional upgrades, also known as OTOs, that you'll see after you buy. These usually offer advanced features, extra templates, or done-for-you campaigns. You don't need them to start, but they can speed up your results if you have the budget. I highly recommend grabbing the main offer first and seeing if the upgrades fit your current business goals.
And welcome to LaunchMate AI. My name is Demetrius. I'm going to be your coach and mentor in this software that I've built for all the newbies, even veterans in this space, where you want to create a product and launch it on Warrior Plus. Getting a product from beginning to the end and launching it on Warrior Plus, the whole setup, the copies, the sales pages, the graphics, the idea, the funnel, the setup in Warrior Plus, and how to basically connect everything instantly using LaunchMate AI. This is going to be your assistant in launching your first product online. You also have training from me to actually go out and create your product yourself, or you can use AI to build your product as well. I've got examples and there's methods on how to actually build your own softwares and launch it on Warrior Plus. So this software right here is a one-time off. I have no upsells inside. This is a one-time off where you're going to be able to take control of your own life finally and becoming a vendor on Warrior Plus and a lot more. And you'll be able to build a buyer's list and you're going to be able to promote other offers as an affiliate marketer. Now, let me show you inside what you're getting once you get inside LaunchMate AI. Let's get inside. Hi, and welcome to Warrior Plus LaunchMate AI. Now, you're going to be able to create a product from scratch and launch it on Warrior Plus with the right tools and right strategies by using this software. So basically, as a newbie, somebody that's coming in new and want to become a vendor, you're going to come here and you're going to start your new launch, unless you want to go ahead and ask your assistant on what you should launch. Now, once you've decided on what you want to launch, you're going to go ahead and start your new launch. You choose your niche. So let's say we're doing a business opportunity. We're going to click on next. You're going to choose, like, for example, a software tool that you want to create, or you created, or you're going to create. And then we're going to choose a name. And let's say we're doing is traffic explosion. And we're going to choose maybe generate with AI. If you don't know what your description of, or you can't think of something, or you're going to choose the method and name and unique. What is the unique thing about this software, and then you can put a pricing, for example, on what you want to sell it at. And I give you options and I tell you what's recommended, and then you click on next, and then you can use the generate with AI to get the target audience, use the AI to find the main problem that this product solves, so you don't have to do all the hard lifting. Everything is done for you basically. And then you're going to save, and now we're at the funnel area. This is the funnel. This is where you get into a product, then it takes you to an upsell, and you can have as many upsells as you want, but I give you what's the usual, what you should, etc. And they give you a little bit of estimated earnings, and then you come here and put some more information about the front end offers, etc. The whole thing. But you can also get an AI funnel based on the niche and based on what you chose. It tells you what you can do, so you can apply this structure, for example, and it will do it for you. And then you can go in and we can save it, and then we can go in, and then here we're going to choose the theme of the page that we want to create. We're going to add our buy buttons that we're going to into our page. No technical skills needed here because everything is basically done. There's a deployment guide as well showing you exactly how to set up on WarriorPlus. In order to set up on WarriorPlus, you need to put these pages on somewhere, so we need to create them. So the software will create the sales pages based on everything that you gave it, plus adding the buttons onto the sales pages, and you can generate all pages at once, and it will create the content, the buttons, and ready for you to go in. Now you can also edit these pages, and you can also do a lot of things. So you have the thank you page as well, and the JV affiliate page if you want to get more affiliates to promote you, and then you're going to be able to go into the next step. This is the example of maybe a sales page that's going to build, but you can actually add more content if you'd like, etc., because we're just going through it anyway. So you can come in, edit, and put some more information of what you wanted to do, and then you can check out the next. This is the upsell pages, and you can check the preview pages and all the details that you need. You've got them all. You can download the complete funnel, and once you download this zip file, you're going to be able to upload it and run it, etc., through my training that I have for you, etc. Now the next step is to get to the WarriorPlus setup. It will give you all the information that what you need to be doing, then the marketing and promotion, and then you can go back into the AI assistant for anything else that you need. So this is how fast you're going to be able to launch a product on WarriorPlus using my LaunchMate AI. So you see, this is not just ordinary software. This is based on what I've been able to create myself and build over almost 2 million on WarriorPlus by creating digital products and selling them. What I did was basically use AI to help me put whatever I've been doing into my software. So whatever I've done in the way I do copies, or the way that I launch my funnels, or the funnel pricing, or how I'm actually selling these products, well, the whole secret is inside my LaunchMate AI. So you're getting everything, my blueprint on how I'm actually creating digital products and selling them online, and my software will actually help you get your ideas out or give you ideas of what you need to be doing next. So this is LaunchMate AI, and I'm putting this out for anybody that wants to become a WarriorPlus vendor right now using this special software that I created. I'm very proud of it because it's basically what I've been doing, my blueprint that I was able to build and put it into a software to deliver to you. This is a one-time off payment. There are no upsells right after you purchase this. It's a one-time off. Once again, lifetime. Things will change in the future depending on this specific sale that I'm having right now. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure you go through the sales page, check out exactly what you're getting, check out the demo, and I'll talk to you inside LaunchMate AI.
Now, let's talk about the bonuses. I mentioned earlier that LaunchMate AI builds your funnel, but you still need buyers. If you click the link in the description below and grab LaunchMate AI through my link, you get exclusive access to the App Verdict Bonus Vault to help you drive traffic and conversions. Here are the 10 custom bonuses you will get for free. Bonus 1 is the WP Swift Page plugin. This speeds up your site, which means better Google rankings and lower bounce rates. Bonus 2 is Backlinks Warrior software. This finds high-quality backlinks to help your new product pages rank at the top of search engines. Bonus 3 is Article Analyzer. This will optimize your AI-generated copy so you get more free targeted traffic. Bonus 4 is WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers right inside your launch emails to force buyers to act fast. Bonus 5 is the two-step opt-in generator. Capture more leads before you even pitch your main offer. Bonus 6 is Action Poll, a tool to segment your new buyers so you can send them highly targeted follow-up offers. Bonus 7 is Socia Ultima. Drive completely free social media traffic to your new product funnels. Bonus 8 is FB Live Video Engager. Build massive hype during your launch week using real-time Facebook reactions. Bonus 9 is WP Video Focus. Keep your video sales letters floating on the screen so buyers never miss your pitch as they scroll down your page. Bonus 10 is WP Checkout Maximizer. Increase your conversion rates and get more people to click the buy button. LaunchMate AI gives you the high-converting funnel. My bonuses give you the traffic, but listen closely. These exclusive app verdict bonuses are strictly limited to the first 25 action takers. Once those spots are gone, I'm pulling the bonus page down forever. Do not miss out. Click the link in the description right now to secure your copy of LaunchMate AI and lock in all 10 bonuses before the spots run out. To claim your bonuses, just purchase through my link below and your bonus access will be waiting for you automatically inside your WarriorPlus receipt area. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to AppFurthit for more honest reviews and marketing strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.